Here I have HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Settings, then go to the System section, then go to the Accessibility. Okay, so we have Accessibility section here, not in System, excuse me. Then you go to the Talkback, enable Talkback like this, and after that Talkback tutorial starts.
Page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. You can turn Talkback on or off by holding both volume keys for several seconds. When Talkback is on, the focused item on the screen is spoken out loud.
Okay, so basically, like when you're in a Talkback, to perform any action, you have to first select it and then double tap on it in order to confirm it. So like this, you just select close, then double tap. So in case if you want to disable Talkback, select here, double tap, stop, and that's it. So yeah. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.